So day 4 saw me going through eastern Montana. I took time to really go off-road. I had extra time and I wanted to go on down gravel and dirt roads. Such a spectacular, I love going in the back roads and seeing the real places I visit, and that consists of a lot of times going down dirt and gravel roads, which I did most of the day. Saw some just stunning scenery. It's pretty green, lots of water around, and the flowers were out in bloom, and temperature was wonderful. Lots of hay. They grow a lot of hay because of the moisture, so that was pretty cool. And they have a lot of horses, just beautiful horses. I really like the horses here. I grew up on horseback when I was a kid, and I know what a good horse looks like, and these are some really good ranch horses and working cattle horses like those. And I was really interested in all the different beehives that were around. They were just everywhere. There's one right here beside where I'm at now. And I thought those are cool. I think they're commercial beehives, and they move them around the country, different places during the year to pollinate the crops. I believe that's what they do. I couldn't resist sending my drone over to look at the beehives a little closer, and the bees, they didn't like my drone too much. They attacked it. I landed on my hood while I was inside the truck, so they were not too happy. I had a whole swarm of bees following my drone back to my truck. I had to land it on my hood and actually had to drive off a ways to get them to leave me alone so I could retrieve my drone. But yeah, I had just probably the best day yet of going across the different ranches and the dirt roads, and spent most of the day just really enjoying my time. And yeah, eastern Montana was just really beautiful, and this is a great time of year to do it.